Good morning to one and all present here. This is Sheikh Zainab Arif, and we are going to continue with the next part of unit number 1, that is basic concepts of object oriented programming and its application. So, as we have already discussed about object oriented programming, it is a high level programming language and the whole world is seen in the form of an object in object oriented programming. So, the basic concepts of object oriented programming are class, object, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So, the first one to study in detail is about classes. A class is like a blueprint or a plan. It tells us how to create an object. So, for example, we have a class called car. It's having instructions for making car. Now the next one is object. An object is like a thing that we create using the instructions from a class. If the class is car, an object would be a specific car that we can see or touch. Each car have its own color, size, and can do things like driving. Now the next one is abstraction. Abstraction means simplifying things by focusing only on the important parts. Think of it as having a toy car that we can play with without needing to know how it works inside. You can start it, make it move, and can stop it without knowing all the complicated details. Now the next one is encapsulation. Encapsulation is like putting things in a box to keep them safe in programming. It means putting data and actions that can be done on the data together. It helps us organize our code and protect the important parts. Next one is polymorphism. Polymorphism is a big word that means having things that can change or take on different forms. Like in programming, it means objects of different types can do similar things even if they do them in different ways. For example, we have a toy car and a toy robot that can move even though they do it differently. Now, the next one is inheritance. Inheritance is like passing down traits from parents to children. In programming, it means a class can share its properties and behaviors with another class. For example, a class called vehicle can have common features like it can move and it can stop. Both a car and a truck classes can inherit those features. Both can move and stop. So, thank you for watching.